All right, now I'm going to show you exporting characters and animation. So I have this cup character I've been working on. It's got a little bit of animation to him too. Now let's export him. So now the first thing we do, we make sure our project root is set in USync main. There it is, perfect. Then we're going to grab the skeleton. We're going to add him. And up here is the base path. This is where it's going to save it inside of Unreal. The file name will be taken from the armature's name. So make sure you select the armature. You don't need to select any of the meshes because anything that's connected to this armature will come over. And then there's the Unreal directory, characters _ cupman armature. And you also have a checkbox for export deform bones only. This is something, if you're doing fancy rigging, you can actually select which bones deform and stuff like that. You can turn it on or off. If you're finding that stuff is not coming over, you may need to turn it off. And then hit export character. It's been exported. Open up my project. Import characters. He's coming in. Oh, just missing textures for me. So go to characters, cupman armature, and there he is. Oh, I didn't set up his face correctly. Let's fix that real quick so you can kind of see what's going on. Let me first figure out why the face isn't working. Oh, I know why. It is because all objects need to be zeroed out. So this is a great example here. We'll go to the USync tools. We will check apply. So what this will do is apply all the, so like you'll see here, location, rotation, they all have values on them. They just need to be zeroed out for this, just to make things easier. I hit apply, transform. I go back to item. I'll see everything is all set up correctly. Now I go back to USync, export character again, and import characters. And look at how easy that was. I know that that didn't come in correctly. And that's just because materials don't come in quite right. So you have to go and actually fix some of the stuff. But it's there. Some of the materials will come in with basic stuff. They'll come in with base color and normal. But unfortunately, not everything comes in just yet. I am working on a solution for that. Let's see. Translucent, does that work? I always kind of forget. Put the alpha into opacity mask. Yes, there we go. There we go. My character is perfectly set up from Blender. Now, let's do animations. So the important thing to note is you need to export the character first and import it, because USync will generate a skeleton list that will be important for later. And so now this is the animation export panel. I just have to select the armature again, just select it, and then the file name, then this, and you'll see there's something new down here. It's called a skeleton list. And as you populate your Unreal scene with characters, you will have more armatures for everything. So you just need to select the correct armature for this one because that's how it references inside of Unreal Engine. So now I'm going to export the animation. Everything looks good. Deform bones. Directory looks right. Export. Go back into Unreal. Import animations. Go to the content drawer. Go to where that's saved in animations. And look at that. Animation came in perfectly. Not a problem. And yeah, that's how you export characters and animations. Enjoy.